today, the sun will still be out by 10 o'clock, but I'd probably have left by like...
Not there anymore.
Oh, okay, so chicken dinner. Again, I love variety.
Found a bit more clarity on where I want to be, and I now understand that I bring things to me. So I need to be clear about my thoughts and what I'm attracting to my life.
I think I need more clarity in my life, and to get clarity I need to be more relaxed.
If we bring me freedom, bring me what I want in my life, what I'm missing currently inside me, and yeah, freedom.
It's an amazing course. It puts you on the first step for the change of your life. I came here, I didn't know what to expect, but I gained so much, and I think I planned my 5 years future plan in this course. So I really recommend it to everyone because it's very beneficial.